Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got ILNP Whisper and Maniology M053 and Coconut. And I have started off with Nailtiques Formula 2. Here is ILNP, and this one is called Whisper. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like a peachy pink with like a duochrome flaky in it. Sometimes it looks green, sometimes it looks yellow. It's so pretty. And here we go. We're just going in with our first little coat here. Very nice formula on this one. I cap my free edge here. A little short thumbnail. All right, one coat down. Let's get into the second coat. And this one probably could have used a third coat, but unless I really feel like it needs it, I won't do a third coat. I just don't. I'm a little lazy like that. And we're going to top these with INM out the door. I'm going to get this one to dry down so we can do some stamping. Always looking forward to some stamping. Get some more top coat on that one. Go across that little free edge there. I know a lot of people don't do their free edge, but I do. And there it is on its own. All right, Maniology M053. And this is a very cool plate. Got a lot of cool stuff on it. And we'll be using Coconut from Maniology to stamp with. I've got my little cube stamper out and my H. La Cosadora scraper. And we're going to give this a little wipey wipe down with some acetone. And a lint-free wipe. And I'm going to apply sticky base coat because this is like a French tip design and I really don't want it to mess up. But it will, because it's me. So we're doing this little swoop down here. Kind of more of a rounded French tip. Not straight across, but kind of rounded. And we're going to scrape it and pick it up. And, ooh, look, I didn't scrape it very good. So let's clean that stamper off and the plate off, and let's try this again. Now, with these open images, I try to be careful because you don't want to gouge the polish out. So I was being too careful. So here we go again. Nice gentle scrape and pick up. Yes, we got a good one that time. I'm going in with a little piece of tape and getting off some of the excess that I don't want. And gonna try to line this up, y'all. This is the hard part. And I can tell you, though, the more you practice, the better you get at it, because I think I was happiest with this one over all of them I've ever done. Oh, I've got a little swoop. But here's the deal. I got top coat on that manicure, so I can go in with my little cleanup brush and just a real light touch, brush it off and straighten that line up. Excellent. Ta-da! So if you've got that top coat on there, that glossy, hardened top coat, you can go in and do things like that. I have changed to a different scraper, the Maniology scraper, just to see if I can, get a better scrape without gouging it. Here we go with the next one. And bam! Oh, that one's messing up too, but that's okay. Okay, so I had some on the tip that didn't take, so I'm just using the excess to go around and kind of tap into these little spots that were bare. And it's all going to be good, y'all. At least that's what I'm telling myself. Okay, another one. And I really did like how this one turned out. I mean, French tip stuff is tricky. Getting it to line up and kind of look the same on each nail is tricky. It's tricky. But I turned my hand back facing me like this, and I seem to be able to kind of nail it better. And there we go. We've got another one that's messed up. It's flipped in on itself. I'm trying to get it straightened out. Mush it down. Get the flyaways. But we're going to go in with our little cleanup brush again and just tidy that up. There we go. Yay! Oh my goodness. And I was going to do white, but I thought white would be too stark. And that's why I went with the coconut. I figured it would be kind of white-ish, but not bright white. So far, so good. Let's keep going. I've already done my thumb. Yeah, I did that one. It was kind of like my tester nail before I turned the camera on. Any of you other YouTubers do that? I think some of you do. All right, let's get this pinky nail. Ta-da! Yay! I am so glad. So relieved. I'm going to clean everything up. Got a little plate and mat to clean up here. Wipe it over with a lint-free wipe. Back is clean. We're good to go. I'm going to top these with the Maniology smudge-free top coat. And I'm really only focusing on the tip. I didn't do like the whole nail with it. Ta-da! And now for some Poshe top coat. This is my final top coat. This is my quick dry, my glossy, plump, juicy quick dry top coat. And this is what holds it all together. And just polishes it off. No pun intended. I'm serious. And cap that free edge. Yes, indeed. And the girl's done. And here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.